Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam, Sir. I am Ruby P. Anulacion, 33 years old. I am single mother of 6 years old. I am college level. I had experience here in the Philippines as domestic helper for 2 years and 7 months. I finished contract. I extended 7 months because they're looking for my replacement.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities are taking care of children, doing household chores, tutoring kids, washing clothes, ironing, doing household tasks.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take good care of them by cooking food and feeding them, make sure that they are clean and healthy, and by serving them as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam, Sir, I can cook some Filipino foods and I'm willing to learn more when it comes to cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam, Sir, it is necessary to be a hardworking person, honest, God-fearing, fast learner, and multitasking.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam, Sir, I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless.